Hello everybody. Freezing cold today, ain't it? So I thought, well, let's do a hearty homemade meal as such. So then I thought, who fancies one to eat like a champion? You know, like an Olympian. Get all them gains in and get that running on for the new year. How about this? Eat like a champion. From Aldi. Can't remember how much it was. I got it a week or two ago. I think it's about £4. 80 affordable, family-friendly recipes inspired by some of Britain's top athletes. And it's got some of the names of the athletes in here. I'm not going to go through all that. But this time, today, I'm going to be cooking, probably can't see that, a beef, sweet potato and parsley stew. Let me show you the ingredients. That's it there, beef, sweet potato and parsley stew. Prep time 20 minutes, cook time hour and half. A tasty and nutritious meal. Beef is a great source of iron and vitamin C. In tomato puree really helps the body absorb this. Okay, there's all the ingredients, look. And there's the method, so if you want to pause it and have yourselves a look as you go along or whatever. And it says at the bottom a little tip. For a fiery kick, add 3 tablespoons of horseradish sauce, which I'm going to do because I've got some horseradish left over from the other day. And that's it there, look. So, first things first, as I say, you've seen the ingredients there. I've got it all prepared, nice and simple. So you want to add your flour, you want to add your salt and your pepper to your flour. But I'm just going to put my flour on, 2 tablespoons on my beef. And some pepper, a bit more, and some salt. And we're going to mix all that together. Yeah, cold in it today, so I thought, oh, what should I do? Something nice and hearty, you know. Nice little bit of a stew. And I had that book, as I say, about a week or two ago. I think it was just after Christmas I had it. So I thought, well, yeah, let's do one out of there. They've got quite a lot of meals in there as well, so we'll see what this one's like today. Right, there's all my flour, my beef coated. So now, we'll go over to the cooker, up to the hob, and we'll cook it all up. Okay, as I say, I'm doing it on my hob. I was going to slow cook it, but I just wouldn't have time for the video. So then I thought, well, I'll just do it on here, and like it actually says in the book. But I reckon if you've done it on a slow cooker, it'd probably be a lot better. But I haven't got time. Anyway, a little drop of oil. And we're going to mix it with some butter. 25 grams it says, but you don't really have to measure butter, there's play by ear, that's all. And we will melt that. Okay, that is melted. Now you want to get your beef in. You might have to do it in batches. We will have a look. This is quite a big pan, this. Spread it out a bit before I put some more in, just in case. Yeah, it's quite a big pan, so I might be okay. You don't want to overpack a pan, if you get me, if you can help it. I'll leave that like that, and I'll fry the 2 batches up. They have all sautéed up a little bit now. Don't forget, you're not cooking it, are you? Just get all them out with a slotted spoon. Look at all that goodness at the bottom of the pan. All that goodness there. That's what you want. That is what you want. Scrape all that off. Now you want to add your carrots and your parsnips with your onions and fry for 5 minutes and give the bottom a scrub. Get some of that goodness off the bottom. It's all goodness, that is. Even put a little drop of water or something in there. Get it all up. All we're doing is gently frying these for 5 minutes, that's all. Okay, they've been doing for about 5 minutes now. And I've been scraping the bottom to get some of that goodness off there. That's all flavour. Right, get your meat back in. All the juices and everything, get it all in there. Lovely. That little mix. Your tomato puree is going in. And a few sprigs of thyme. Doesn't say how much. Just says a few sprigs. So, give that a mix. Now it says on this next bit, add enough water just to cover your ingredients. Now I think stock would be better, so I'm going to use just some vegetable stock instead of just the water. You want an extra bit of flavour in there, don't you? You get me. That's it, we'll put that in there. And I've done 500ml here. We'll just see how much I need. Just enough to cover the ingredients. Which is about perfect there. Give that a good stir. Right, now we've got to leave that for 45 minutes on a low heat. Let it completely simmer. Okay, it's been 45 minutes now. I've just stirred it every so often just for the bottom so the bottom doesn't stick. There it is. It's looking nice. It's still sticking a little bit, but that's all the goodness, which we'll keep scraping off. It smells nice though. We ain't even done yet. Now you've got to add my potatoes in. Sweet potatoes. Now, Nat isn't keen on sweet potatoes, and I've done too many there. So that's 500 gram, I think it says. But I'm going to follow the recipe anyway, so you can just pick them out if she doesn't like them. She likes normal, unless she doesn't really like sweet. Now I want to stick in my brown sugar, which was a tablespoon, and some parsley. I'll save a little bit to put on the top for a bit of garnish, I suppose. I'm going to give that a mix, just mix that sugar in. And then potatoes should thicken it up as well, which should be a good thing. And some salt and pepper to taste. A bit more. And some pepper. There we go. Give it a mix. And we'll leave that for another 30 minutes until the potatoes are done. What I'll do is I'll check it in about 15. If it becomes a lot watery, I'll just take the lid off for the last 15. That's all I'll do. But we'll check it. Done. Okay guys, it is done. It's been in half an hour. So let's get this off. There it is. I've just been stirring it. It is quite thick. You probably can't see it at the minute, but it is. It is thick, look. So that's what you want. Bit of parsley on top. Turn it off. There we go. Right. Now you're probably thinking, where's the dumplings? Not having dumplings. I'm doing some garlic bread slices. Because there was no garlic in this, I thought, well, let's do some garlic bread. And we're going to have some garlic bread with it for, you know, for a scoop up and a dip. That's what we're doing. So I'm going to get a couple of minutes just to cool down. Be far too hot to eat. And then we'll get up the table. All done. It smells absolutely delicious. I've told Nat I'm doing the stew, but I haven't told her what's in it yet. So she'll eat what she likes, won't you, Bab? And then won't eat the rest. So that's it. Let me show you anyway. Before it gets cold. There's my garlic bread. I forgot about them. I've done them in the air fryer. But they're lovely. There's a little, you know, a dip. It's cooled down 5 minutes now, this. There it is. It looks and smells delicious. So let's dish some up. Put this down somewhere, this lid. Do apologise. Oh, that's thinking, Don't mind us, we've been cleaning up. Sorting a few bit of junk out, haven't we, Bab? In between.
Yeah.
So I don't mind what we look like. Let's put it there like that. Then you can see me get some out. Let me show you. It's nice and thick. It's really thick. Look at that. Oh, let's put some on your plate, Bab.
Thank you.
Hearty warming food. I didn't take the thing out.
I need
there
some
it is.
today.
I'll show you properly in a second, guys. I should have put me other.
Thank you.
Take that out. I should have put me. It smells lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, just have a whiff of it then.
Yeah, I should have put me other tripod up so it's a bit higher, but never mind, I'll show you.
Have you made any dumplings?
I didn't make any dumplings because I wanted to test this as it is.
Oh, right.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's why I've done some bought that garlic bread. Bought that from Aldi, like, you know. Just because then we can taste that. And I did, I forgot, once I'd done that last bit, that last section, before it was, I mean, it had the half hour when the potatoes went in, I did put horseradish in, I forgot I wanted to have a cuppa, and I realised after about 5 minutes, so I put some horseradish in, just to spice it up a bit. Is that what you just crafted that? Is it a bit spicy for you?
No, I've got a chill from yesterday.
Oh, yeah, the drains, because the lad went back here.
Freezing yesterday.
So let's show you on there then. There it is, look. It's nice and thick. I didn't take the lid off or anything. Bit of garlic bread. Oh yeah. Shouldn't have done that first. Let me taste the curry. I'm starving though. I am hungry. Not the curry, the stew. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice, isn't it? And that little sweet bit, that sweet bit with the sugar as well. I usually do that. I don't usually put a tablespoon in. That is really nice, isn't it? Really nice. I know you don't like sweet potatoes, Bab, but I thought good for your belly. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well done. Eat like a champion. That's delicious. A portion of the profits go to Teenage Cancer Trust. That's good as well.
Oh, that's really good.
Eat like a champion. It's at Aldi. They've got loads of different recipes in there. And they've got like the chefs, or not the chefs, the whatever they're called. The athletes who make them. Delicious. Oh, I'm looking forward to this now. I was a bit like that. Because some of these Aldi books and that seasoning is rubbish. But this.
That sweet potato don't taste too bad in here. You know?
No, nice, isn't it?
I quite like it.
It's really nice in here, yeah.
Sorry.
Bless you.
So sorry.
Poor children took the lad back yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah.
Freezing, wasn't it?
Oh, it's so cold today as well.
And today. That's why I thought, well, I'd do this.
That's really nice.
That is really nice. And there's loads. It says it does fall up. But there's loads there.
I like sweet potato.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's nice in there, isn't it? Told you would. Well, not told you would. No, what was it I told you would? Oh, what else I was going to do? Oh, something with lentils, weren't
Don't
it?
even call it that.
She said, you bloody not.
So let's
She said, I want to eat that, she said.
so let's have some cheese on toast. Childhood nightmares, that is. Lentils. So if you're eating that, I'll eat cheese on toast then.
I said it'll be nice once I've cooked it.
Nope.
She said, no, I'm not eating it.
I don't care what you do to lentils.
So I said I'll do a beef stew, but I didn't tell her I was doing this one.
That's nice.
And it's nice, isn't it?
I like them sweet potatoes.
Told ya.
Sorry. You might have to start putting sweet potatoes in more.
Yeah, told ya. When you cook it. You've always been on a lot of their own and that. But when you do it like this and it all get all the flavours in, I've told you that a few times.
Yeah, you have.
But yeah, all in all, well done. I don't know whether it's Aldi's or whoever it is. I think it's Aldi's. I think it's really, really good. So far, it's only one recipe, but I'm going to give that a 10. Simple, convenient, took an hour and a half on the hob. I was going to do it in a slow cooker, as I said, but I wouldn't have had time for the video. But that is absolutely delicious. Just getting right tucked in, ain't you, Bab?
Yep.
And some more this.
Yeah, very. Thank you.
Bless you.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. That's really nice. I'm nice and warm now. Some nice warm food. Goes nice with that garlic bread as well.
Goes nice with that garlic bread, doesn't it?
I'm glad you didn't do dumplings now.
Yeah, and me. Lovely. Can't wait to eat all this. Anyway, I'm going to go before it all gets cold. I say I'm the old food guy. Oh, you can mark it, Bab. It's going to be a 10, ain't it? I'm marking mine a 10. It's delicious.
I'm going to go
Hold on.
9.5.
9.5? Well, because of the sweet potatoes.
No.
Just 9.5. 9.5. I'm giving 10. I don't care. 9.5, 10. It's good enough, isn't it? It's delicious. Try it. Showed you the recipe. It's simple. Cheap to make as well, apart from the beef. Apart from that, see you later. Bye-bye.